In this video, I will show you how to access your notes from the DASS online system. First, visit the DASS website at www.csuci.edu/DASS. Scroll down and click on DASS Online Service Login. Once you are logged in, find the My Accommodations section in the sidebar on the left-hand side of the page. Select Note-Taking Services from that list. On the Note-Taking Services page, you will see a list of your classes. For each class that has notes uploaded, there will be a clickable box reading Available Notes for Download. Select that box. When you click the box, you will be able to see a list of notes you can download, along with the file, name, size, and time of last download. Click where it says Download Note to download the notes to your device. Once your file has been downloaded, you can find it in your download files. Thank you for watching. For any questions, please contact note-taking at csuci.edu or call at 805-437-3331.